Subscribe to Madhura's Recipe and hit the bell icon to receive updates of all my new recipes. Hello friends, welcome to Madhura's Recipe. Today I am making butter egg masala pav. This is a very popular street food. So just like we make butter chicken and butter paneer, this is yet another variation in which we are going to make butter egg. So first thing first, goes in some butter, around 3 tablespoons of butter into a pan, and goes in some finely chopped onion. And of course cook this until onion gets nice golden color. Alright, so here onion looks nice and soft and it has got that perfect nice golden color. Now at this point of time we'll go ahead and add in 4th cup of tomato puree. So this is a homemade tomato puree and the recipe for same you will find that on YouTube as well as on my website, and I will also update the same in the description box below. All just you have to do is go ahead, search for tomato puree with the tag Madhura's Recipe and you will get the recipe. A teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, a teaspoon of Garam Masala, a teaspoon of coriander powder and a teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix this everything together and cook this for another 4 to 5 minutes. Now if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe plus bell icon so that as I post 2 recipes in a week, you will get notification in your inbox of those recipes. So please hit the subscribe button. And here this tomato puree is well cooked. Now let's go ahead and add in some water, just enough to adjust the consistency. Also goes in salt. And now in this masala, let's go ahead and add in some boiled egg. So these are 3 medium sized eggs that are boiled, peeled and then just roughly sliced. Mix that. Looks awesome and its flavor is just fantastic. Wow. Lots of finely chopped coriander leaves. Let's take serving plate and transfer this. Looks superb. So take this into a serving plate. Now in the same pan we'll add some more butter. Since this is masala egg pav, we need some more butter, some little more red chili powder. Give that a mix. Add some more butter. Awesome. Take your pav and just we are going to lightly roast this from both the sides. Awesome. And after about a minute, just give it a flip. Lovely. Look at that. This pav has got awesome coating of this masala, and let this fry from other side also. We'll need some more butter. Lovely. After that's done, just take this pav and put that into a serving plate. Superb. Some coriander leaves. sliced onion, and the lemon wedge. And it looks fantastic. This butter egg masala pav looks yummy, tastes yummy. Do give this a try. I hope you really liked enjoying this today's recipe. For more such quick, interesting and yummy recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.